and welcome to class 9th, subject English, book Behave, chapter 3rd, The Little Girl, part 2nd. As student in the first part of the chapter, I have already explained the half of the chapter in which we have got to know about the little girl Kezia and her father. His father's character also explained in the starting of the chapter that he was having long hands, long neck, and he used to yawn like a giant, according to Kezia. Kezia used to have fear from his father, or she got afraid from his father's figure. Okay, figure means the character he was having. He was a little bit strict and he doesn't give time to Kezia. When he used to go to office in the morning, and when he come back at the evening, he used to give orders to the family members, to his wife and his daughter. And Kezia, just because of this, she was not having any attachment with his father, and she used to fear, or she used to afraid from his father. So his father was also asking Kezia's mother to uh, explain her how to behave. That Kezia is not knowing that how to behave with anyone, so our father is telling all this to the mother of Kezia. Okay, so this is the starting of the chapter, and the story begins when one day what happened. Grandmother is the fourth character of this story. Grandmother suggested Kezia to improve the relations between them, the Kezia and her parents. Okay, so what happened one day when it was Sunday. So at the on that day, the father was sleeping on the sofa, and the mother was reading a magazine. Okay, at the moment, grandmother asked Kezia to come downstairs, or to go downstairs and sit with them. Kezia has done the same. She was sitting with their parents, but what happened? Nobody was interacting with her. Father was sleeping, and mother carried her work, that magazine reading. Okay, so what happened? When his father woke up, then Kezia was again, she was in fearful fearful nature, like she was afraid just because of the long hands of his father, big mouth of his father, long neck, all the creatures features his father was having. Okay, so um, so at the moment also, he asked Kezia's mother to explain her how to behave with anyone. Okay, and then uh, on that day, on the same day, what happened, after some days, grandmother asked Kezia that your father's birthday is going to come, and she has to prepare one pin cushions. Okay, she has to prepare, or she should prepare a pin cushion for his father, so that he become happy. So same Kezia did. Okay, she was very close to her grandmother. So Kezia did what the mistake what Kezia has done till yet in the first part, or the first video what we have studied of this chapter, that she has prepared one pin cushion. She has stitched the three sides of the pin cushion, and fourth side she was searching for any scrap or anything to fill in that pin cushion. Okay, so she had gone to the father's room where some papers were kept, and those papers were the business papers, you can say, or the urgent papers of his father's work. So she has just torn those paper and fill in that pincushion. And when the papers were searched off, so then what happened? The mother asked Kezia that have you taken those papers? Then Kezia accepted that yes, I have done. But then what happened? Kezia's mother took Kezia to father by dragging her out. Okay, so at the moment he also asked that why she has done this. Now let's start after that. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. So she was crying a lot just because she was so afraid of her father, and she lay in the shadowed room. Lay in the shadowed room means the room was not having enough light, and it was enough light, and shadows were falling here there. Okay, watching the evening light, she was just watching to the evening light means the sun ray which used to come from the windows. Okay, so light make a sad little pattern on the floor, so that light was also giving a sad looking pattern. Then father came into the room. At the moment, what happened, when she was sitting and thinking about something, at the moment her father came in the room. Okay, with the ruler, means he was having a steel ruler in his hand. So I am going to beat you for this, he said. Oh, no, no, she screamed, hiding under the bedclothes. He pulled them aside. Then what happened? Father was very angry just because she has spoiled his business papers. Okay, so he is scolding her that he is going to beat her with the rulers. Okay, and just because of that she is screaming and hiding behind the bed sheets of the bed. Okay, and what his father has done, he has removed the bed sheet, pulled the bed sheet aside, and sit up, he ordered. He asked Father ordered Kezia to do sit-ups and hold out your hands, and asked her to take out her hands uh, what she has hidden uh, from his father. Okay, so you must be taught once for and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. But it was for your birthday. Down came the ruler on the little pink palms. So the father punished Kezia by beating her with a ruler on his pink palms. Pink means she was a little girl, so her hands were very small, and the color of the hands were pink. Okay, so he said father beated her for the reason that he should teach a lesson to her. But at the moment also Kezia is saying that she has done all this just because to gift him on his birthday. Okay, but his father didn't understand that, and he has just beaten with the ruler beat her with the ruler. Okay, so in the next para, hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. As I have told you earlier, students, grandmother and the Kezia was having a good relations and good understanding amongst them. Okay, so after this incident, Kezia was with her grandmother only, and she has just covered Kezia with a shawl, and she's grandmother was sitting on the rocking chair. Rocking chair is the chair which used to move. What you can say, which used to move automatically while sitting. Okay, it is a resting chair, one type of resting chair you can say. So on that chair she has taken the child, and she was clung to her. Clung means she was very tightly attached to her grandmother, holded her grandmother. Okay, so what did make father for? She sobbed. So she here the Kezia, okay, she is Kezia here. So she was sobbing. Sobbing means in Hindi sisakna. Okay, she was crying, and the breath of Kezia was breaking out. Okay, so that position is called sobbed. So, what did God make fathers for? She was having one question in her mind, that why fathers are made for. Okay, so this question arises in Kezia's mind that without father also we can live. So, why fathers are made for? She asked this question from her grandmother. Here's a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose. Go to sleep, pet. You will forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. So grandmother tell Kezia that just clean up your nose, dear, and go to bed, and in the next morning you will forget all about what today happened with you, or what the father has done with you. I have like grandmother here, I is the grandmother. Okay, so she is saying that today she has tried to talk with the father, but what happened, he was not ready to listen to grandmother. Okay, so um, but the child never forgot. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back, and a red color flew into her cheeks. So, what happened? That incident of the ruler was there in Kezia's mind for so many days. Okay, so whenever she used to see her father, she had just hide her hands from his father, and his cheeks become red just due to the fear, or she got afraid from his father. The McDonald's lived next door. McDonald's is the another character of this chapter, which is just discussed. Okay, so McDonald's is the neighbor of Kezia, who used to live at the next door. Okay, they had 5 children. McDonald was having 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. So one day, what happened, when Kezia was standing in the garden, and from the fences, the boundary of the garden, she was looking at the McDonald's house or the garden, that McDonald was playing with his 5 children, the tag. Okay, so at the moment, what she is thinking, let's see, the father with the baby Mao on his shoulders, 2 little girls hanging onto his coat pockets, ran round and round the flower beds, shaking with laughter. What she was noticing, that two babies were on the McDonald's shoulders, okay, the smaller ones, and 2 girls were hanging on his hands, and the pockets, and coat pockets, and one is just roaming here and making a round of the McDonald's or in the flowers, and they were playing and they were laughing. Okay, so all the things, all the view was noticed by the Kezia. Once she saw the boys turn the hose on them, and he tried to catch them laughing all the time. Means when the boys used to go here and there, or he used to horse, then he used to catch them. Okay, so then it was she decided there were different sorts of fathers. Suddenly one day mother became ill, and she and a grandmother went to hospital. So after seeing the neighbors neighbor's McDonald, when she noticed McDonald with his five children, that he is playing very nicely with them after doing mistakes also, then she realizes that there are different types of fathers also with a different behavior. Then one day what happened, suddenly Kezia's mother got ill, and she was admitted in the hospital, and at the moment grandmother was with the Kezia's mother in the hospital. Okay, so the little girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook. Alice is the cook, another character. And so she was there with the little girl Kezia at the home. She was alone in the home. Okay, so that was all right in the daytime, but while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. Okay, so at the daytime she has spent her day here and there, but at the night time it was dark, so she got afraid. Okay, so you can get one character, students, of Kezia, that she is very a small hearted girl, and she used to afraid from the small things also. Okay, so because of the dark of the night she was very afraid, and when Alice was trying, the nurse was trying to make her sleep, she used to get up from the bed, grew suddenly afraid. Okay, hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her, what I do if I have a nightmare. So here Kezia is telling that if she will sleep, then what she will do if she will have any dream, any uh, fearful dream. Okay, if she will have any fearful dream, then what she'll do, because no one is there with Kezia. She asked from the Alice, I often have nightmares, and then Granny takes me into her bed. I can't stay in the dark. It all gets whispery. So she explained the situation to the nurse that I can't sleep alone. Whenever I used to have the nightmares, the granny take her to the bed and she make her sleep. And Kezia, for Kezia, the dark nights are very whispery. Okay, some sounds are there which make Kezia very afraid. Okay, so you just go to sleep, child, said Alice, pulling off her socks, and don't you scream and wake your poor papa. Okay, so here Alice suggested Kezia that she should sleep by pulling up her socks. She has worn, Kezia has worn socks, and the Alice was pulling up the socks, and she asked Kezia to sleep and not to disturb by screaming to his father. Okay, so but the same old nightmare came. The nightmare what Kezia used to have in her dreams, that was what, the butcher with a knife and a rope who came nearer and nearer, smiling that dreadful smile while she could not move, could only stand still, crying out, Grandma, Grandma. She woke shivering to see father beside her bed, the candle in his hand. What the matter? He said. So, in this para, what happened? In that case, I was having a nightmare in which one butcher is there. Butcher is a person who used to cut meat. Okay, so one butcher is there who is having knife in his hand and a rope too. Okay, so he used to come to the Kezia very close, nearer and nearer, while smiling that he is going to harm Kezia. So after Kezia, just due to the fear, she was just standing still. Okay, and this is and crying for her grandmother. So this was the nightmare which make Kezia shiver, and she was shivering in the night after, like in the dream. At the moment, only what happened, she woke she got woken up from his from her sleep, and she was shivering too. And what happened, his father beside her bed. what he she has seen that after seeing his father, he got shivered that his father is standing beside the bed. He was having a candle in his hand, and he was asking that what's the matter, Kezia. Oh, a butcher, a knife, I want granny. So he asked his father that there was a butcher and he was having a knife. So because of that, she needs a granny. Granny, the grandmother. Okay. So he blew out the candle, bent down, and caught up the child in his arms, carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. Okay, so what happened, what the father has done, that he just blew up the candle and she has just taken the Kezia in her arms, in his arms, and take to his own room. So a big newspaper was on the bed. He put away the paper, then carefully tucked up the child. Then the newspaper. I hope the Keja's father was reading newspaper or what he was doing. So newspaper was there on the bed, and he has taken that newspaper aside. Kept that newspaper aside and make Kezia sleep on the bed. Okay, so he lay down beside her. He got asleep also with the Kezia aside. Okay, half asleep, still with the butcher's smile all about her. It seemed means when Kezia was trying to sleep at the moment. Also, that butcher's smiling face was there in her eyes. So she crept close to him. So what she has done, she got close to her father and snuggled her head under his arms. She put her head, means Kezia put her head to the father's hand. Okay, snuggle means to hide the face. Okay, in the father's arms she has held tightly to his shirt, and she has hold his father with her hands very tightly, so that that nightmare doesn't disturb her. Then the dark did not matter. She lay still. Means after when she has hold his father very tightly and hiding her face in the arms of his father, then the nightmare was not disturbing her. She realizes, and the dark was nothing for her at that moment. Here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm. Father said the father. Okay, so father asked Kezia to rub her hands from his feet so that Kezia's feet become warm. Okay, tried out, he slept before the little girl. Means after saying this and thinking about something, he slept. He got sleep, the father. Okay, and a funny feeling came over her. Then Kezia was having a funny feeling at the moment. So as Kezia's father was very tired, he slept before she did. Means before Kezia, the father had slept on because he was totally tired. A funny feeling was there in the mind of the Kezia, that poor father, not so big after all, and with no one to look after him. So at the moment, Kezia realizes that father is very poor, that he is not having time for himself also, and nobody is there to look after him. And he is so tired that he got sleep very soon. Uh, he was harder than grandmother. Means the difference is that, as I have told students, she was very close to her grandmother. So she compared grandmother's behavior to his father's behavior. Then he said that grandmother is little bit soft and he is little bit harder from the grandmother. Okay, so but it was a nice hardness. Like she understands the strict the she understands the love behind that strictness. Okay, at the moment. So she say that it was a nice hardness, not the bad ones. Okay, so and every day he had to work and was too tired to be a Mr. McDonald. she had torn up all his beautiful writing. She stirred suddenly and shied. So, what happened? She got realized that McDonald is having much time to play with his children. Okay, but Kezia father is not having much time because all the time he is busy in his business works or in his office work. So he never used to give time to Kezia. But this doesn't mean that he is very bad or he is very hard natured. It is just that he is not having time and he got tired and he used to sleep just because of that. What's the matter? Asked his father. After thinking, she just stared suddenly on his father and she sighed. Okay. Then father again asked that what is the matter, Kezia? Why are you not sleeping? Okay, another dream. He asked, Kezia's father asked that have you seen any another dream or what? So the little girl answers, oh, said the little girl, my head's on your heart. Means my head is there on your heart. I can hear it going. What a big hurt you have got. You have got, father. Yeah. So Kezia expressed her feelings that my head was on your heart, and I felt that your heart is too big and it is beating very nicely or fast. Okay. So here the chapter is finished. I hope you have understood that how Kezia got understood about the father's feeling about her child. That if your parents, students, the moral is that if your parents are behaving in a strict manner towards you, it doesn't mean that they are not loving you or they don't love you. It is just they are just worried about your future, and they want that you never got stuck to any hurdle or any got go in any problem. Okay, that is why they used to scold you or ask you to do ask you to not do something. Okay, so this is what we got to learn from this chapter. Here are some assignment work or the questions I have given to you all. You have to do in your fair copies. Um, Thank you. I hope you have understood the chapter. If any doubt is there, you can go to the comment box and comment it. Okay, so thank you.